Hi everyone, welcome to Idea Mela. So I will present to you at another innovative competition. It's known as real-time monitoring of electrical systems in low or no connectivity remote locations. So this competition is organized by Tata through their platform Tata Innovus. So they are seeking a solution for reliable monitoring of electrical systems and field operation in low or no network environments, which will enable in secure offline operation, safety critical workflows, and seamless data synchronization once connectivity is available. So the last date for application is 2nd August 2026. So they are awarding cash prize. So the reward money is paid in exchange of legally acquiring the solution, implementing it to solve the problem, and meeting the success criteria. So milestones for paying the reward money would depend upon complexity of the challenge and maturity of the proposed solution, which would be discussed with the solver as soon as the proposed solution is selected by them. So if I go to the challenge details, they are mentioning that electric utility field operation often take place in large, remote, and geographically dispersed location where mobile network coverage and internet connectivity are extremely weak or completely unavailable. So in these environments, field teams are required to carry out critical electrical activities such as testing, maintenance, fault response, and restoration. However, the absence of reliable connectivity makes it difficult to enable real-time or near real-time monitoring of electrical systems and associated field operation from central control or supervisory teams. At present, most monitoring, safety, and operational workflows assume the availability of mobile data, Wi-Fi, or other communication infrastructure in remote locations. So this forces field devices and teams to operate in isolation, so relying on manual processes, locally stored data, or delayed reporting once connectivity becomes available. So this lack of real-time visibility impacts the ability to supervise field activities. So this is an issue and issue to manage the permits to work, to ensure compliance with safety procedures and respond promptly to operational risks. So the challenge is further intensified by the scale of operations where large number of teams are deployed simultaneously, making continuous connectivity dependent solutions impractical and costly. So they are seeking solutions that enable reliable monitoring of electrical systems and field operation in environments with little to no network connectivity. So the solution should support autonomous or offline operation, allow secure local capture and validation of operational data, and enable synchronization with central systems when connectivity becomes available. So it should be scalable across a large workforce. It should be cost effective and capable of maintaining safety critical functions such as PTW and LOTO, and supervisory oversight without depending on continuous internet or mobile network access. So you can go ahead and apply in this platform. So the last date, as I mentioned, is 2nd August 2026. So if you like this video, please leave a like, and for such informative opportunities from around the world, please do consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. It's known as Idea Mela. So I will try to bring more innovative opportunities from around the world, so you don't have to go around and search for this across the web. I will provide all those opportunities here. Thank you very much.